Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to bring to you a healthy alternative of French toast. I call these French toast mini bites. They are gluten-free, dairy-free, and egg-free. If you've been following me for a while, you know those are my sensitivities. And so I wanted to create a new recipe that I can enjoy that French toast feeling while not having all that extra carbs and flour and dairy and eggs that makes me not feel well. Pretty simple with only 4 ingredients. I'm using Now Foods vanilla protein powder, oat flour, dates, almond milk, and a dash of cinnamon. I mix them all together in my blend tech. Then I put them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. Now I'm about to try it. It smells good. I topped it with some honey and some bananas. Pretty good. Tastes very moist, like there's eggs in it, but there are no eggs in it. Hope you enjoyed my cooking video. I'm excited to start on this new cooking video journey. So please let me know in the comments down below, again, if there's anything you'd like to see, and I'll put that into my decision-making box of meals.